What is up, everybody? Welcome back. Today, we're going to be unboxing the Lego Batman Tumbler, the new version of the Tumbler. This set is recommended for ages 18 and up. Set number is 76240, 2,049 pieces. And this set retails for $230 in the US. And look at the size of this thing. This thing is absolutely huge right there. So really like the detail of it. So I'm really excited to unbox the set today. So yeah, I can't wait to unbox it, and maybe I'll start building it today as well. So let's get this thing unboxed. All right. So I haven't unboxed this big of a set because I never owned the set. So so I can't wait to unbox it. Been waiting forever to unbox the set, so let's get it underway. So let's adjust the camera here. Let's adjust this. And you can already see the tumbler unboxing. You can already see it. I really want it like that. Okay, that's good. Alright, guys, here we go. Okay. Which way we're gonna do this? Which way are we gonna do this, you guys? We need more adjustable. Sorry, guys, for the camera. Sorry, guys. Doing way too much with the camera. Okay, we can move that a little closer. Sorry with the camera angles, guys. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get the right angle. Dang it. I hate this phone. This phone is just not good for filming. Alright, this is good enough. Alright, let's get this thing unboxed. There's 3 tapes. Oh, man. Got one of them. Here, hold on. Let me get this. There we go, and here's number 3 for the tape. I got 3 tapes this time. That was easy. Just had to slice up this unboxing. Here we go, guys. The tumbler. Oh, dang, this thing's big. Here we go, guys. Tumbler unboxing. We just unboxed it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. We just unboxed the tumbler. We just unboxed it. Oh dang. I'm keeping the box because the box just looks good. Alright, what do we got? Oh man. Oh my gosh. I just unboxed the tumbler. No way. Alright, let's get this opened up first. Oh dang. This is a really big set. Oh, man. Oh, that's going to take me forever to build. Okay, this is really big. Here's the instructions. Here it is. Here it is, guys. So there's the tumbler instructions. Did we also get a sticker sheet? And there's a sticker for the tumbler right there. Got that. Now let's start numbering off the bags here. Oh my gosh, there is a lot of bags in the set. Oh my gosh. Alright, guys. Got these instructions. Got that. Alright, let's start numbering off the bags here. Let's move these instructions out of the way here. So, bag number 1. Here's bag 1 right here. Another bag 1. Lego tumbler. Okay. This is bag number 1. Another bag 1. So I like to do the bigger bag 1 up first. So another bag 1. Bag number 1 again. Alright. Bag number 7. Bag 2. Oh, I forgot to show 7. Here's 7 again. There you go. So we got the small bag 2. Here's the big bag 2. This thing is going to be a long one, you guys. Bag. Oh, this is another. Okay. Man. Bag number 4. Bag 10. Oh my gosh. Bag 10. Bag 11. This is where you get the figures. Oh man. Bag 11's the figures? Oh, come on. Big bag 11. This is big one. Big bag 11. So this is the final bag of this set. Bag number... Okay, which one is this? Bag number 8 of the set. Okay, I'm going to start putting this in order here. Hold on. Bag 3. Bag number 9. Bag 5. Another small, bag number 1. Another small. I already showed you guys 11. Bag 3. The small one. Bag number 6. Tires. Bag 4, small one. Already got bag 4 here, so let's put that right there. Bag 4. Tires are huge. These are big tires. These are really big tires, guys. I've never had tires this big. So, here's all the tires. I'm going to stack these up right there. And then here are the smooth ones. Smooth tumbler tires. Smooth ones. Alright, let's start organizing all the bags here. And then I'll start vlogging for you guys. Okay, there's 5. Got all this trash here. Gotta get that out of the way. Wheels. Bag 5's not gonna be long. Alright, where's bag 6? Alright, 6 is right here. Jeez. Bag 1's gonna take forever. Bag 1 is gonna take really long time. Okay, where is bag 7? Okay, bag 7's right here. Gosh. So big. Bag number 8. Right there. I already showed you guys the bag, so I'll just show you guys again. So, there is bag number 9. Jeez. Jeez OP. Bag number 10. Bag 10 right there. For you out there. Here is bag number... Last bag of the set. Bag number 11. Right there, and there is a small bag 11, which is the 2s. So there you go. There is the set right there unboxed for all of you guys out there. So here it is. Oh my gosh. So there's your unboxing of the Lego tumbler. All the bags. Oh my goodness. This thing is completely unboxed out of the bags here. This is a complete mess because I've been building a bunch of Lego sets. Bag 1 is going to take the longest. So bags 1 through 3 are going to take the longest. So bags 1 through 3 are the longest. So bags 1 and 3 are like the longest out there. This thing is so big. I like how the box just like handled there. And look at the nice stickers you get in the set as well. You get nice stickers, and I'm glad I didn't damage my box. That's good. You get a lot of stickers. You get this is like a UCS tumbler. Here, I just saw it on the back of the set here. Here, let me show you guys. Let me show you guys the back of the set. So here's the back of the set. I think this is the UCS tumbler. The UCS. I think it's a UCS tumbler. I don't know. So, this thing is absolutely big. Alright, let's get bag 1 out. Okay. So, there you go, guys. There's your unboxing of the Lego tumbler. So, hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing. It was a really long one, so... yeah, I got all the bags. I'm going to start building this right now, probably, so... how big the instruction booklet is. Here, let me take a look at the instructions. Tumbler. How good you look in this set. So, bag 1, I start building the base right there. Bag 2, jeez. Gosh. Bag 11, and there we go. I start off with bag 1. So, there you go, guys. Unboxing done. Oh my gosh, I'll see you guys tomorrow for, the Lego Medieval Castle review. So, that'll be coming up tomorrow as well, and we got the tumbler unboxed. Finally, got unboxed. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe right now, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.